Originally, tractors were invented as a replacement for horses and oxen to perform heavy farm tasks more efficiently. The tractor's power comes from an internal combustion engine, which burns fuel to generate mechanical force. This engine is connected to a transmission system that enables the tractor to move forward, backward, and even rotate in place. The tractor's versatility lies in its numerous attachments, such as plows, cultivators, and harvesters, each designed for a specific farm job. The most common tractor attachment is the three-point hitch, allowing farmers to easily swap and change tools to adapt to different tasks. One popular tractor attachment is the rotary mower, used for cutting grass and maintaining pastures. Another is the front-end loader, which scoops and moves large amounts of soil, debris, or hay. Modern tractors are equipped with advanced technology, such as GPS guidance systems and automatic steering, that increase efficiency and precision in farming operations. These systems help farmers plant rows of crops more accurately, reducing waste and increasing yield. Tractors have revolutionized agriculture, making farming faster, more efficient, and more productive. With their powerful engines and versatile attachments, they've become essential tools in modern farming. In some parts of the world, tractors are even used for non-agricultural purposes, such as construction, forestry, and snow removal. The tractor's versatility continues to evolve, making it a truly remarkable machine. So, the next time you see a tractor working in the fields, take a moment to appreciate this modern marvel of engineering and its transformative impact on agriculture. It's not just a machine, it's a harvester of dreams, making it possible for us to enjoy the bounty of the earth.